What's up, fam? Welcome back to the vlog today. What's up, fam? Welcome back to the vlog. What's up, vlog fam? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are in West Hollywood, out by where Randy and I used to live actually before we moved to Fredonia. And we're gonna get some coffee, we're gonna get some food, we're gonna go to the Grove and do some shopping. And so it's gonna be awesome. Right, first stop down, got some Verve espresso, double shot.
There's a hair salon in there.
Ooh.
Gospel Church, House of Nuts.
Pretty cool.
Hi guys.
The OG.
How's it feel?
Amazing. Just
What did
as good
you
as I
get?
remember.
What did you get to eat?
What'd you get to
What'd
eat?
you get to eat?
Nuggets and fries.
All right, we just finished eating dinner. I'm gonna do a little bit more shopping, but this place is crazy, y'all. We're not in Fredonia anymore. All right, y'all, that's a wrap on the Grove. Flashlight. That's a wrap on the Grove. So many people, so much good food. And we are walking back to our hotel now. Good morning. Still in West Hollywood on a little run this morning to go get some coffee. It's 5:30 and we are loving the day. All right, about 4 miles in. I hope the coffee shop is open. First espresso down at Blue Bottle. I'm gonna literally walk right across the street, get another espresso. Coffee shop 2 down. That place wasn't as good as the first place. In LA, they got these self-driving cars. There's nobody in that car. They got all these sensors on them. And it's pretty wild. I mean, the light turns green and then it just takes off. What in the world? Third spot done, about 6 miles in. I was just here last night, it was packed. Now it's empty.
This on when you get inside, okay?
Yeah, we gotta walk.
You want the stroller?
Nah, it's okay. Just right here.
Oh well, I like your outfit with all the cherries.
Because they're dragging on the floor just a little bit.
What's up, guys? We're going to breakfast at the butcher, the baker, and the cappuccino maker. How you feeling?
Good, I'm excited to eat. I'm hungry.
Addie, what are you gonna get to eat?
Who's praying me?
No, Daddy.
Daddy.
Let's pray.